Hi, thanks for joining me. So that was a pretty good result. 97% said yes to the masking review. So we're just going to start a little bit of banter, get us going, and then at 7:30 I'm going to start. I don't have a watch on me, so I'm guessing. Well, we've got a few minutes, so just in case anyone's is wanting to join us. We're in my office at the moment. I haven't got a car to work on because I just painted it and I don't really want to go in there. So I've got a new cap, going to go on up on my wall. So I'm going to say hi to all you all. I am recording this on another camera at the back here. I'm not sure how it's going to come out, but hopefully good enough for me to then upload this to YouTube so you can watch it again later. So I will be darting in and out like that because it's been quite hard to sort of set this jig up. Examples of how to mask up and get it all in here. Maybe if I move that back a little bit more, that might be a bit better. Right. So I'm going to talk about the products that I use. They might not be for everybody. It's just the way I work. So if I can share it with you and you get something out of it, that's great. If you don't, then thanks for watching me. Or if you want to just go. But I don't want to bore you, and I don't want you to be here unless it's something you're interested in. So the 3 soft edge masking foam tapes that I use on the market is, you see me using a lot of this Q1. I love their products and I use it for almost 90% of the stuff that I do, 80-90%. So this is their 13mm soft edge foam, which probably a lot of you would have seen. Hi London Bumper Repair. Hopefully you can see that. It's round, it's got a bit of tape on the inside there. So that's a good product, and I'm going to show you where I'd use that. You've then got the J tape, and this is the J tape Flexi No Edge Plus. Love this product. So this one, let me just get it out of the box. It's in my van. I was actually going to do this from home, but I probably thought twice about it because I don't think my wife would have been too chuffed if I was doing a live video from my house. So I came back to the workshop. Otherwise I might not be around to do any more live videos. So this is the Flexi No Edge Plus. Hopefully you can see that. It's quite a flat tape. It's got adhesive on the inside here, which I'll show you. Just bear with me a minute. Let me just get to it. So that, hopefully you can see that. That just peels off, and I'll show you where I would use that. The third product, again, I'm still here, is the J tape Flexi No Edge. Now they've changed the box. This used to be like that. You used to pull it out the same as that is. But what happened, this used to bird nest up about, and it was really frustrating. Hi from Greece. So they've changed the design now. It's actually like that. You pull it off, top layer right down to the bottom. It seems to be working well. So simple little fix, which works. This tape is more flexible. It's designed for going around door handles. If you don't want to paint up into the door handle, you're going only up to the swage line, around lights on the front of the car, anywhere where you need a bit of a curve. So what we'll do is we'll go with the primary tape I use, which is the J tape. So I would use this in door shuts, boot lid shuts, engine shuts. You've seen, a lot of you would have seen me when I do my masking. I use a lot of it for my masking, keep my prepping, sorry, not masking, priming. Just to keep my priming area really small. So what I'll do is I'll put the tape around, the foam round. I'll peel off some so you can see what I mean. So I would mask around the priming area that I want. Then I'd use a 1-inch tape around that, prime up the area. Just watch some of my other videos on Instagram and YouTube, and then when it comes to actually putting on the guide code to see where you want to sand, if you've got any low spots or high spots, I just peel this off. You've still got the paper and everything in place, so it's still keeping the repair nice and small. So this product, like I said, hopefully you can see that. It's simple to cut. You've got an adhesive strip all the way down here. What I would use that for is areas where I don't need to have as fine a line, so I've got a bit more flexibility with this. So hopefully you can see. Let me get a longer piece. Doesn't look very long. So here we've got a little swage line that runs round. So if I was going to be working on this say the scuff was here and I wanted to prime this area and keep it really small, I would then use this, go along. It might not stick so well to here, trust me. This is the reason I use this product is because it has got, I feel personally it's got better adhesive than the other products on the market. So that's why I use this one. J-tape obviously do one, but I prefer this. So there you go. So you've got it on there, you flex it around, pull it. So at that stage, when I'm there, what I would do is a little bit of 1-inch masking tape. Thanks for following me, by the way, guys. I really appreciate you guys following me. So it's always good to know that you're out there. So with that, you run that round. It's nice and flexible, this tape. Follows the contour. So we've got that section. I'm going to take you off the jig and take you in there. All right, so hopefully you can see this. Now, what I find is at this stage, this tape could pull back your soft edge masking foam if you need it to. I'm about to order some, going to attempt to repair on us. All right, I can't read all your messages now because I'm trying to do this, but I will take them back. So I really appreciate them, or DM them over. So if you've got this and you want to keep it and you feel sometimes maybe this tape, so the 1-inch yellow tape is pulling away your soft edge masking tape, let me put you back. And I know we will have all had this. You've got to be really careful. This Raiders blade, I would then have my finger on the inside there, and all I would do is run up, hopefully you can see this, and along. And what that does is, I'll take you off the jig, off the stand. What that does, hopefully you can see that, is it releases the pressure that the tape, the actual masking tape itself, was putting on the foam. So that will stop it from lifting up. So that's the way I use the 13mm. Now, if we come to the Flexi No Edge, again, a lot of these products can cross over. So, you know, you don't have to have each product. I just like it because certain jobs makes it easier. So this tape, I would use this on somewhere where I've got a really tight circular bit of marking that I need to do. Unfortunately, I don't have any trim with me here so we can use it on. But say this was the fog light and we wanted to go round. You know, you can easily, and you'll see this now. So if you've got a tight corner you want to get round there, it'll easily go round it. Again, so once you've masked up what you need to mask up, you know, if you feel like it, just put that there, it'll just hold it down. Now, the reason I like to use this on bumpers or areas where I want to try and keep it nice and neat is the profile is very thin. So you get a much nicer soft edge on it. Again, this is just my opinion, so everybody's different. Top product, love it. Next product, this one, which I've got in a bit of a mess at the moment. Anyway, there we go. So, J-tape, no edge tape plus. This is absolutely brilliant for straight lines. If you want to go around a corner with it, you can, but it's not designed for that. It's designed to go in a straight line. So if we look at this, say this was a car, you know, imagine this is the door. I'm trying to replicate this, so you've got to have the imagination. So this is the door, and this is our swage line at the top where we don't want to go up. We want to keep it nice and low. All right, there's no damage up there. Damage is down at the bottom, and that's a nice cut-off line for the paint. So you'd literally just peel off a little bit. Am I still in picture? You take it to there, measure up how much you want, peel it back. That's not a good example. Sorry, there was a little snag in this one. Right. Peel it back, and you would go, you can follow the straight line. So let me take you off. So you can see how that basically follows a straight line. Nice and easy. So if you were going to paint this, your paint job's going to come up there. You know you've got a nice soft edge to the edge of your clear coat. And what I will do is I will always bring up, put you back on it. Sorry, bear with me. I would always, you know, take your coat of lacquer up to there, and then your last coat, so I normally use put 2 coats of clear coat down. So your last coat will come up and along. Then peel this off, literally like that. And with some, whatever you use as your fade out, and I use Stanlock's Smart Blend, it's brilliant. Just literally go light coat all the way along there with the fade out, and that's it, leave it. Let it cure off, lamp it however you want to dry it, whether it's air dry, lamping, gas heated, booth, whatever it is. Leave it, and when you come back to cut back, you can cut back that line nice, and you won't see any fade out lines. Or in the States they call them burnout lines, you won't see it. So there we go, that's the 3 products, the 3 soft edge masking foam products that I like. The premium Q1 masking tape, 13-inch. You get 50 meters in a box, and it's 30mm. This is my everyday tape, soft edge foam. I use this for pretty much everything that doesn't need the fine work. Where I'm masking around tight corners, etc., I'm using the J-Tape Flexi No Edge blending. You know, I can't fault any of these products. They work for me. I've been using them for years, and they're brilliant. And then straight lines, swage lines. You know, you can even see in the picture here. Look, let's get it the right way around. So you've got it pretty much straight lines. If you haven't tried this product, maybe speak to your rep, see if there's something around, or if you've got a friend who uses it, borrow a little bit, just try it out. You'll love it. That's that. Quick thing now, I'm going to go home because it's quite late and you guys are probably getting bored of me. I am going to do a quick review on the different plastic welders I use, the ones that I've started off with and the ones I've got now, why I like them. I'm hoping to do that tomorrow afternoon. So watch out for that. It'll probably be on YouTube, or I might even do it live on here, but you know, in the afternoon most of you guys are working. So, and finally, one more thing, the caps. I'm going to run a competition as soon as I hit 4,000 followers, which is hopefully not too far away. I'm going to give away one of these free caps, and it doesn't matter where in the world you are. If you enter the competition, like the post. If you can share it, that's great. But if you just enter the competition, and then I'll draw the winner out, and you'll get a free cap sent to you. So thanks for tuning in. I hope that was informative. If you have any questions, just whiz them over to me, and I'll obviously try and do my best to answer them. All right, all the best. Bye.